Looking for fast and reliable appliance repair in Vancouver? Dial An Applianceman is here to help. Since 1996, we've been repairing fridges, stoves, ovens, dishwashers, washers, and dryers with same-day or next-day service. Whether it's a noisy dryer, a leaking dishwasher, or a fridge that won't cool, we've seen it all. Our licensed technicians are trusted by property managers, homeowners, and landlords across Vancouver. We're committed to fair pricing, quality parts, and dependable service. We don't just repair, we also install new appliances and carry common parts so you don't have to wait. So if you need appliance repair in Vancouver or nearby communities, email our service team today at service@dialanapplianceman.com or visit dialanapplianceman.com. Fast, reliable, affordable. That's Dial An Applianceman.